Imagine you're hiring for a job, or honestly, dating. Candidates come to you one at a time, and after each one, you have to decide on the spot, take them or move on forever. No going back. So when do you stop searching and just commit? It turns out there's a precise mathematical answer, and it's weirdly specific: 37%. Here's the strategy, and it's beautifully simple. Say you'll see 100 candidates. Take the first 37 and reject every single one of them, no matter how amazing. You're not choosing yet. You're just calibrating. Remember the best one you saw. Then, from candidate 38 onward, pick the very first person who is better than everyone in that first batch. That's the whole rule. Why throw away the first 37? Because if you commit too early, you've barely seen anyone. You're almost certainly settling. But if you're too picky and wait too long, the best person has probably already walked out the door, rejected. 37% is the sweet spot between looking too little and looking too long. And the payoff: this rule lands you the actual best candidate about 37% of the time, which sounds low until you remember how brutal the no takebacks rule is. So where does 37 come from? Plot your chance of getting the best person against how long you keep looking. Stop too soon, your odds are bad. Wait too long, they crash. And the curve peaks at exactly 1/E, Euler's number, which is 0.368, almost exactly 37%. The same constant that runs compound interest and probability shows up here, telling you when to stop looking for love. And people really use this. It works for apartment hunting, for finding a parking spot, for hiring. The astronomer Johannes Kepler, after his first wife died, methodically interviewed 11 candidates for marriage. And mathematicians later showed his choice lined up almost perfectly with the 37% rule. Real life is messier. Sometimes you can go back, sometimes you only have partial information. But the lesson holds: spend the first third exploring, then commit to the next best thing. So that's round 27. Your gut wants to either grab the first decent option out of fear or hold out forever for someone better. Math splits the difference, hands you a number, and walks away. Brain, 0. Math, 26. Round 27, math takes it by telling you exactly when to stop. Subscribe and spend your first 37% wisely.